This entire trailer took me 1 paragraph and 45 seconds. No actors, no camera, no editing timeline. Just one AI tool that quietly replaced 5 apps I was paying $300 a month for. And yeah, I'm kind of obsessed, but here's what nobody tells you before you try it. All right, let me show you how simple this actually is. This is DeeVid AI. You sign up with your email, links below, and the interface is instantly easy to understand. No learning curve, no mess. Now, let's start with the feature that shocked me. To use text to video, you just need a prompt. I'm writing my story in ChatGPT. Nothing fancy, and I already have a scene-by-scene breakdown. I copy the first scene, paste it into DeeVid, done next. I pick a model. DeeVid gives you multiple options, but I'm using Sora 2 because I need audio dialogue and strong visual storytelling. Then I choose my setting 16:9 for YouTube. 9:16 if you're making TikToks or Reels. That's it. I hit create. 20 seconds later, boom, Hollywood is shaking. Pause this video right now and tell me in the comments, does this even feel real? Now, generating a video is cool, but that's not what surprised me. If something looks off, no stress. You can reprompt, regenerate, or edit the video directly inside DeeVid. No exporting, no jumping between apps. You can even lip sync characters, upload your own voiceover, or choose from multiple AI voices. Everything handled inside one platform. Now, let's do something even crazier. Let's turn one image into a cinematic video. I'm testing DeeVid's built Zen-in image generator powered by Nano Banana. All I do is describe the image, choose a size, and generate image done. Looks insane. Now I write a prompt to turn this image into a video. You can pause the screen to read it. I select Fast VI, the quickest and most accurate model. Hit create. Just like that. A polished cinematic scene from one image. Now let's level up. To create a smooth transformation, we need 2 images. One starting frame, one ending frame. I upload both, paste my detailed prompt, select Fast VI, and this is the result. Perfect motion. Smooth transformation, no glitches. Now this part is wild. Let's say you want high consistency. I upload reference images, an alien, a cat, a wooden rod, and describe the action in detail. Model VFi. This alone can power product ads, story scenes, or brand videos. Imagine this for cat food, or toys, or literally any product. Drop a comment. What would you turn this into? And this feature surprised me the most. Video to video. Upload any clip. Turn it into anime, 3D, cartoon, or Pixar style. Hit create, done. Now, DeeVid has AI ad templates, video clones, talking avatars. But honestly, the 4 features I just showed you already replaced my entire workflow. If you're a creator, a marketer, a storyteller, or someone who wants high-quality videos without a team or budget, this is legit. Click the link below. You get free credits to test it. Tell me which feature blew your mind the most. I read every comment. Now you know how to create incredible videos with AI. But what if you want to create AI ads for massive brands like McDonald's, Dove, or Apple? I broke that down in my video on Medeo AI. Subscribe to Apexa AI. No hype, no fluff, just tools that save you time.